Puerto Rico greets you with music. Every street hums, every kitchen sings. The air smells like plantain and sea salt, like comfort that never forgot how to dance. This island holds resilience in its flavor, softness, and strength woven together. Puerto Rico carries the element of fire and earth, grounding, yet full of rhythm. In Ayurveda, it mirrors the balance of Pitta and Kapha heat that gives life and sweetness that keeps us tender. Every meal is a heartbeat, every bite a blessing. For Pitta, balance comes through coolness and compassion. For Kapha, through movement and spice. Together, they ask for food that grounds, but doesn't weigh, food that comforts without numbing. That's where the plantain comes in, humble, sweet, and strong, just like this island. Today's dish is a savory plantain stew, inspired by the soul of Puerto Rico. Ripe plantains, sliced and simmered with bell pepper, onion, and garlic. A splash of coconut milk for smoothiness, smoked paprika, and cumin. For warmth, cilantro and lime to wake the senses. It's comfort with rhythm, sweet, savory, and full of grace. Long before colonization, the Taino people honored cassava, plantain, and maize, foods that still carry their spirit. Today, every bite is memory, every recipe a way to keep language alive. Ayurveda meets these roots in reverence, not to replace, but to remember. In Puerto Rico, I learned that healing can move to a drumbeat. That camphora is sente always. Quiet, sometimes it sings. And maybe that's the lesson of the island. Joy as medicine, movement as prayer. This was Puerto Rico, where plantain meets comfort. Next, we travel north again to Oregon, where moss, mist, and mushrooms teach the art of listening. Until then, bend, root, breathe. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and reflections on our journey.